Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai. We are learning the meaning of the verses of Shri Guru Gita based on Guru Gitartheshwari, written by Her Highness Mahayogi Swami Umananda Saraswati. As asserted by Gurudev, Shri Guru Gita Mahamantra is a self-study that enhances and fosters the art of living in the present age of darkness known as the Kali Yuga. Today we are learning verse number 48. The means to obtain Guru's grace.
अयं मयांजलिर्बद्धो दयासागरवृद्धये यदनुग्रहतो जन्तुश्चित्रसंसारमुक्तिभाग्. I bow down to the Guru, the ocean of mercy, with folded hands for his grace, receiving which the soul is delivered from the world of diversities and of the change. In order to get one's mind detached from the attachment to the grossness of the world and to make it free from the wrong influence of the body, mind, and intellect, it is absolutely necessary to obtain Guru's grace. Nothing is impossible for the Guru's grace. It can do and undo everything. There is no other way out for the seeker but to obtain the grace. The seeker has to do sadhana for it. Then everything else will follow automatically in its trace. Even Sri Jnanadev did the sadhana of bowing down at the holy feet of his Guru again and again. Though, no doubt, the Guru is the ocean of compassion and mercy, still, to make it overflow and flow towards the devotee, what is to be done by the seeker is told in this stanza. By joining the palms of hands together and thereby achieving oneness with the help of two-ness, the seeker should surrender to the Guru. The eyes are two, but the eyesight is one. Two lips give one smile. 2 feet create one get. Thus, through duality, we are always marching towards oneness without a second. To unite duality into oneness, to have no duality, and to achieve the yoga of no difference, the most easy way is to do pranam to the Gurus with folded hands. When the sense of separateness and feeling of difference are there no more, the empty mind becomes no mind, and such mind, free from thoughts and desires, deserves the grace of the Guru, is the inner meaning of this stanza. Sadgurunath Maharaj ki Jai.